It is undeniable that the concept of «cave» brings to mind caves adorned with spectacular rock formations such as stalactites and stalagmites, typical of karst areas rich in limestone. Because this type of geology is not present in the Grand Duchy, much of the caverns are almost completely devoid of concretions. In many cases, these are tectonic caves, typical of sandstone-rich areas. They are usually formed by splitting of rock walls followed by collapse of a certain magnitude. This implies cavities that are less spectacular and severely limited in extent and depth. Despite its approximately 160 meters of development, the Jimanopo cave falls into this category of caves. Yet, nature can give us wonders in the most unthinkable places. Very young stalactites and stalagmites, draperies, flowstones, are beginning to take over the barren walls of a seemingly inactive cave. Concretions that in time, and with the respect of the visitor, may embellish this cavity already rich in history.